put oil first, 1 cup. Because if I put the egg first, this 50 gram oil will be less to show here. So there is 1 cup. This is the 1 cup sign. So I put 1 cup oil first, and then the egg. And I will put half a teaspoon of any type of vinegar. I am today using the red wine vinegar because it's a I use this for making pasta and other. Oops, a little bit. So I will less little bit because so half cup vinegar, half teaspoon vinegar, and this is the 1 pinch. 1 pinch, 1 gram. This is.
It's 1/8 teaspoon.
No.
Yeah, it's 1/8 teaspoon.
Yeah, this is 1/8 teaspoon or 6 ml or 1 pinch.
Okay.
Whatever way you say it. Okay. And then this sugar is optional. Okay. So I add a little bit of sugar to make a little bit of pinch together. So half teaspoon of sugar. So this is optional. You don't have to. So but put first.
There's nice.
Very good.
Nothing to it.
Yeah,
It isn't that. Oh, I'm glad to see that.
Yeah, so now you want to taste a little bit.
That's it?
That's it.
And then you put the
Then you
put the
add
mustard?
the mustard sauce or whatever. What do you think?
best food vinegar. I mean mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Better.
See, I had a 1 cup of mayonnaise. So within 3 weeks, it's finished. Because
And you can use it for sandwiches?
yeah, sandwich, salad. You can make Thousand Island salad. You can add this for sandwich, or you can boil the macaroni and or pasta and add boil some chicken breast. I will what I plan and add this. Make a pasta salad. You know. So, but I know what oil I use. I did not use any
Additives and chemicals.
Yeah. So you can add the mayonnaise. You can eat as it is with a deep fry, like a chicken. This cheese stick. You can add this. So
How would you use it? Not deep fry.
yeah, you can add chicken deep fry and mayonnaise. You can add this. Yeah.